Alright, so I've got a mystery post bag here. Came from North Carolina, and the customs form doesn't actually, oh, it says cable. But apparently customs decided to open it up because it's got the Service Canada tape on it, so they wanted to see what this was. So let's find out what it actually was. What do we have here? Oh, this is a thing I'm actually really excited to get. So here's a little, standard micro USB cable, and here is the thing that I'm excited to get. In the past I've been having issues with my microphone and battery power, and batteries draining, and me being an idiot and leaving the mic turned on and stuff like that. Pardon me while I rip this open. So what I have here is this fascinating little 9-volt battery that has a charge port on it. And that is going to make it so that I can use this to recharge this battery, and that way I don't have to worry about keeping this thing charged anymore. In fact, I bet I could kludge a way to keep power going with the battery continuously. I'll do some capacity tests and stuff to make sure it actually works properly. Well, that's actually... let's see what kind of a charge it has on it currently. Something just went bonk. What was that? 9.5 volts. So it actually comes in with a charge. But just for fun, let's put a load on it and see what happens to the voltage after we load it down. You can't even see the multimeter there. Let's take this up a little bit. Just this. Let's see if I can, because the polarizing lens kind of messes with LCD screens. That's good enough. Alright, so let's try this again. We'll put this across, like, get in there. There we go. So we got 9.5 volts. Let's throw a 1 ohm resistor over there, across it, which is actually a pretty big load, and see what happens to the... Yeah, so it could probably use a charge, because that's dropping really fast. So it's not very well charged. But yeah, so that's that. And hopefully it works for what I need, and if it doesn't work, I'll take it apart and we'll find out what's inside it. Anyway, that's the Postbag video for today. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll like for my channel. This will be the Postbag playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to help support my financial needs on the channel. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.